I'm proud to be a Samoan. Oh, oh, oh. From the islands where the ocean meets the sky, where the palm trees dance and the trade winds fly, where the voices sing in harmony so strong, that's the place where my heart belongs. Raised with respect and family by my side, for Samoa is our strength and pride. Through the laughter and the tears we stand as one, underneath the island sun. From the village to the sea, this is who I'll always be. I'm proud to be a Samoan, from the land of the brave and the free, where the culture lives forever, deep inside of you and me. From Upolu to Savai'i, let the whole wide world see. No matter where I'm going, Samoa lives in me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hear the drums and the voices in the night, feel the spirit in the firelight. Every story from the ones before lives forever on our shores. With a humble heart and courage in our soul, our ancestors paved the road. Through the storms and through the rising tide, we will keep our culture alive. From the mountains to the sea, this is who we'll always be. I'm proud to be a Samoan, from the land of the brave and the free, where the culture lives forever, deep inside of you and me. From Upolu to Savai'i, let the whole wide world see. No matter where I'm going, Samoa lives in me. Legalo le fanua na ufanauai, my homeland calling me. From every shore across the sea, my blood will always be. I'm proud to be a Samoan. Hear the island melody, with our love and our tradition shining for eternity. From Upolu to Savai'i,